We
are a bully and we are
we
not afraid of bullying.
yes. So
A bully and we are not afraid of bullying.
yeah. So madam,
Madam,
madam, madam,
you are a bully.
madam,
You are a bully. You are a bully. You
ma,
are a bully and you will not bully. You are a bully. You are a bully.
Madam Speaker.
You are a bully.
Yeah.
Please
So,
allow the
Madam
House
Speaker,
Leader to speak. Please allow the House Leader to speak. And member Nikisha Burchell. Member Nikisha Burchell. Marshal, once again, member Burchell, in contravention to the standing orders, is using an electronic device and taping in the House. So member Burchell, the moment you, go ahead, Deputy.
give me a minute, please. Madam Speaker, on a point of order. There is an attempt, Madam Speaker. I note that there is an attempt on a point of order. There is an attempt. A member across the floor has consistently been using her phone to record members in the House, which is a breach of the standing orders. Madam Speaker, I am asking that you name the member if the member continues to do that.
The person who is in the gallery, that phone light, again, no one, including members in the gallery, are allowed to videotape or take pictures in the sitting. So the person in the gallery doing exactly what member Burchell was doing, you're asked to stop. I am going to suspend the sitting for 5 minutes. Members, sitting is suspended. We return at 5:43.